can let's walk.
Yeah, either one. They can go back to Lido Beach and be at our place if they'd rather that, or they can come to Defy if they want to do that. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, bye.
This is my friend.
It's raining, 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 raining. Windy sea. Oh my gosh. It's pouring down rain.
I don't know. Okay, that's not.
It's raining. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is me doing a backflip in slow motion.
Still raining.
Yeah, it's pouring, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a Coca-Cola truck. Coca-Cola. And that's what we were this morning.
Right here?
Yep, at
Oh,
CBS.
really? Oh, nice.
How are you such good friends with her?
Yeah, we were here this morning.
Crosby, that's Nora.
How are you such good friends with her? So nice.
Oh, because she's in my grade.
There's a Jeep.
This Nora.
I see you,
I
Jeep.
thought we were going to the bubble, bro.
We are. I'm trying to navigate.
Toyota
I
Land
thought that was
Cruiser.
turning for it.
She's my best friend. She got my mom hates that song. What song? The song that who wrote it?
Jeez, man. Time and time and time and time and time. Whoa, look at that cool Toyota.
So weak.
Oh, I missed that.
Yeah, it's like SA.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that.
It's a Toyota Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
See a Toyota? Nice puddle hit. Oh! Oh gosh!
Woo!
Here we go. It's raining even more. And there's a Publix.
Yeah.
And we saw so many Publixes in Seaside.
Yeah, there's a lot there
There's
too.
so many Publixes.
Was Seaside busy when you were there?
Yeah.
Was it really?
It was busy during spring break.
Oh, wow. That makes sense.
It was crowded.
It's coming.
In what? From the song.
Still, it's like rolling down.
Oh, that one? I don't know that song. I've never heard it other than y'all guys.
What are you talking about then?
I don't see
What's this song? Bad thing.
I had the rings in the way.
I learned that song like.
Please, I haven't heard that song in like 5 years.
In 5 or 6 years.
Not actually.
No one
Sings that song anymore.
They made a Minecraft meme. It was like
This is going
it
crab
was like
fishing.
Alex and stuff. Oh, I'm going to do fishing bees. You said, and I'm going to Hawaii.
I'm a YouTuber. Oh, now I kind of see better.
Featuring Jaden. Wait, this is Jaden.
Oh, there's a Ford. There's a Nissan.
Maya.
Hello there, Nissan.
Tries. You
Hey, is it Toyota? Oh, we're racing. See it, cars. Oh my God, the car's making a U-turn.
We are too.
Uh-oh.
I know I'm sick.
We gotta follow that white car.
What do you feel like?
Oh my gosh. Mommy always make a U-turn.
Really? Your mom is? No. They wouldn't let us turn left because of that median sign.
Oh.
That was how they safely put us. A lot of rain today.
Whoa! Oh my God, I can see the blue sky.
Travis Scott.
Yeah, a little bit.
You know Laney is? Laney Palmer.
Uh-oh. One more car broke down on the tower.
Be a real bummer if they were in the train.
My cousin got his
We got a one ticket.
Yep. I mean, guys, we take it like speeding.
Oh,
He
really?
was going so fast.
Where at?
He was going on this way back to Wisconsin.
Oh, he was.
I'm from Seaside.
That'll happen, huh?
Yeah. I see a blue sky coming out.
Was that the same cousin that we met last summer?
This is Caden.
Yeah.
When I was
I love Chick-fil-A.
So
Whoa.
not Chick-fil-A first.
Jump.
Please.
Let's do-
We need BJ in this.
Here.
You're
We need to do
filming.
more than one.
Riley.
Hey, Keegan, take a picture of me.
Okay, we're doing another one. Put on the shark
hat.
This one, everyone be funny. Oh, my shark hat, let's go. Woo!
Everyone hail Keegan.
Woo!
Everyone hail Keegan.
Hey.
Oh no, I'm not.
Okay, guys.
A fun
Taking a
summertime.
photo now.
Everyone
Selfie.
Wait, let's take a selfie,
Wait,
Keegan.
can I take the photo?
No. Your arms are too small.
My arms are
I'm just kidding.
Not long enough, I don't think. Plus,
After let's do a creepy.
We need BJ in it.
No,
Everyone.
do it vertical.
ready?
God, you're covering my face. Do it sideways.
But gotta have it on backwards. I don't think I need
More cars.